Hello guys, Peps here, and this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to get Sony Vegas Pro 15. And the way it's going to work is there will be a download in the description to MediaFire. You just go ahead and download it, almost 500 megabytes. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. And once it is downloaded, it will appear here in a WinRAR file, which you will find that has two main files in it. And it has the exe trial version, and it has a patch for that trial version. Now what you want to do is move both of those files, bam, onto your desktop. And once they're on your desktop, you run the trial version and install it. And remember where you install it. It'll probably automatically go to your C drive in Program Files 86. And then once that's installed, don't open it, but next install the patch for it, which will unlock it. It'll unlock the program, and you have to locate where your exe file folder is, and it'll probably already know that. So once you do install that, Sony Vegas Pro should be up and free, and you just search up Vegas, bam, there it is. It says desktop app, but it's not on my desktop, so yeah, you have it, and you just open it, and it appears like this, all fresh and clean. I haven't used the new Sony Vegas Pro yet. The only ones I've used is Sony Vegas Pro 13 and Sony Vegas Pro 14, but it's a wonderful program to edit with. It's what I use for all my videos, which I haven't added any videos for quite a while, but this was my quick tutorial on how to get Sony Vegas Pro 15, and I hope it was useful, and hopefully I'll make tutorial videos on it because I know how to edit, and my edits aren't too bad. So thank you for watching, and leave a comment on what you thought.